Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making pepper jollof Nigerian rice. Very sweet. I am going to leave the recipe. These are my recipe, but I'm going to leave the names below. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to wash my rice with cold water. I'll wash it like 3 times or 4 times depending on when the starch goes away. So I washed mine 3 times. So after washing the rice, I'm going to start preparing what I will use for my rice. So this is my rice. This is how it came out, very clean. So I'll place a hot water at the fire. I'm using the hot water to wash my dried fish. So I'm using my hand grater to grate my pepper, my fresh pepper. You can use your blender if you have one at home. I have a blender, but I decided to use the hand grater. And so this is my already grounded pepper. So I'm going to be washing the catfish next. My water is already boiled. I'm going to put my catfish. Remember, I don't use the head and the bones, but some people use it for their dish, for their food. Trust me, it still comes out very nice and sweet. Guys, you're going to really enjoy this rice, this jollof rice. If you are even going to bite your finger, you trust me. So I'm washing my catfish, getting it ready for my food. Guys, if this video has really been helpful to you, to your household, don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that when I post a video you will see it. So I'm going ahead to make the stew. My dried pot, I added my vegetable oil and my onion, and I used a wooden spoon so that the down of my pot won't start burning. That is why I'm using it. So I'm going to stir it. After stirring it, I'm going to add my fresh pepper. As you can see, I've already added my fresh pepper. Then after 2 to 3 minutes, I'm going to start adding my ingredients. I've added my curry, thyme, seasoning cube, and my salt. I'm adding and my garlic and ginger. And after that, I'll make sure I add every of my ingredients. I also added my bay leaf. So after that, I'm going to add some water in it to start adding my remaining ingredients. So don't forget to watch me closely. We won't make any mistake. So I'm adding my spycity seasoning in my stew. After that, I'll put my nutmeg. I'm using a little bit of nutmeg. After that, guys, you will not regret this ingredient, jollof signature from Maggi company. Jollof signature. Oh my god, it's very, very nice in jollof rice. You know what, at this time the aroma from this food is already everywhere in the neighborhood, and I think I'm doing a party in my house. I don't know that it's just my casual jollof rice. So after adding the smoked fish, I allowed it to boil for 2 minutes and added some more water, and I stirred, and I'm going to allow this to boil. After it's finished boiling, I'm going to add my rice. So it's already boiled, so I'm adding my rice. After adding my rice, I will turn it a little bit and I will cover my pot. I added my foil pepper offline, guys, but the reason why I added it already burning and it's not very well done. That was why I had to put the foil pepper to make it soft. And this is my rice, guys. This may not look very beautiful or very beautiful as you want, but it's superb. You bite your finger. See you guys in my next video. Bye.